This is the new Italiano pizza oven made by TP Products. It can make 2 pizzas at the same time. It's double insulated. It is dual fuel, gas operated and wood operated. The tiles inside is ceramic tiles that is fire resistant, and there is 2 inside for your 2 pizzas that you're gonna make now. It's also loose so you can take it out, easy to clean, but please don't wash it with soap. You can only scrape it off with any scraper. Alright, and remember the oven is very hot. Please don't touch the outside of the oven. We're gonna make the pizza now. Due to the efficiency of this oven, you don't need a lot of wood to start the oven. You need like 3 pieces of wood. Let me show you. Okay, inside is the amber maker. It's a loose item. So you can take out your amber maker, clean it and put it back again. Open your choke when you're working with wood. When you're making a wood-fired pizza, your choke needs to be open. And remember, close your choke when using gas on this pizza oven. You don't need to be a pizza expert to make the perfect pizza with the gas option that the Italiano is giving to you. The thermometer needs to be on 250 degrees Celsius to make the perfect pizza. So always check your thermometer. You've got your 2 peeping holes just to check, is my pizza ready or not?